interview of celebrities at El Mirage. Take it over, dear.
Oh, yes. Here I am. I'm a celebrity. And just after I finish my German wine, I'm going to go fly.
Nice fighting, sir. I think he's going to attempt another little half loop here to get himself back in the middle. Now that is a turning to the... How many G's do you get on you during the launch of our move?
Actually, the left gentleman is
Let me know. I'll give you a call. And he loses. Out here in El Mirage, Frank has got quite a good forward in the so already shows, he was kind of limited influence, but he can do it like that because it's straight up over the top into the classic Cuban 8. Now, out of Chile is a very difficult thing because the rule is that you have to be at least 500 feet in the wings level crossing a roadway that was just off the end of the runway. Very, very tough to do it. An aircraft this large system can move this fast. Right now, he's probably moving, I'd say between 200 and 350 miles an hour during these orders. Holding on over the top to complete the second part of the Jubilee. Again, this is not real good on the snap maneuvers. It's a little bit too heavy. It was never designed for snap maneuvers, but the power smoothing grace going up over 300 miles an hour down the backside of the Cuban 8 to complete the move. Mighty rocket seafarer.
Way up, he's going straight up. He's doing all the way around. Goodness, twice. Look at that airplane move. And over the top and straight down. God, my tummy's going crazy already. Straight down and the engine's roaring. Oh, goodness, the prop's gonna come off.
That fell out.
And here's our next competitor for the...
And we have a hammerhead stall with a full smoke system.